fuck it. Right. Still hot, come around, quick, look.
It's too bright for the camera, Dad. It's too bright for the camera.
Guys, you ready? Oh, crap.
Hi, Dad.
It's alright. Is it still glowing?
A lot on the camera, yeah.
That's that thing you wanted. Is it that pet you made? Or is it the mum's new tree?
I don't know.
That's some stupid hot stuff, man.
Yeah, the thing you're holding burnt while it was in there.
Yeah, keep going.
Still recording.
So you can come around here. Crucible is I melted my fire brick in the bottom. If I touch that, I know it'll catch fire. So that's this. And I'll put that back in there because I love it and I want it to cool down slowly. Copper, took that out. Comes out.
Still really hot on the camera.
Now that stuff that's around it, see all that wire stuff?
Yeah.
That's what this is made out of. Kita, it's yours. You can have it, darling.
Ready?
The light's really off.
Yeah. But that, keep recording that, man.
Yeah, Dad. It looks a lot brighter on the camera.
Hope your mum loves that. That's a $10 face.
Look. Through the camera it looks so much different.
It is.
So when you...
Record that thing again and have a look at the side where the blaster is.
Yeah, it's almost white. It's so bright through the camera. God, they look so cool the way that it's glowing.
Slowly cooling down.
Yeah.
Thanks, bud. Can you press the stop button? My gloves